How to fix Reddit no sound problem. Hello everyone, I will show you how to fix it easily and quick. So pay attention in this video till the end. Open first your settings of your phone, open then your apps option, search here for Reddit. Right now you will find this list of options, open your storage. Click on clear cache and then go back, click on first stop and click OK. Right now come to permission. You have to give permission to all of these options as you can see here. And right now the last step is to restart your phone. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and bye.